Okay, so Neural Doctor is a local diagnostic experiment on air gap compliance framework. I fine-tuned it on Gemma 4 using Unsloth with standard local version of Qwen 3.6 to mitigate hallucinations. The idea is to give clinicians a hand, but as totally air gap system, weighs up symptoms and works out differential diagnoses. To test this, we're going to run a controlled scenario through it, giving it conditions, a wee summary of symptoms and the expected outcomes. So Neural Doctor tackles these entirely on its own, and we match its answers against the reference set. That shows us exactly what is working perfectly and what strays off the path, and how well the sanity checker moderates the logic. The big thing to bear in mind here is the massive difference between a local and a public AI, because Neural Doctor runs local on its own infrastructure, so the whole thing stays inside the air gap network. Okay, so here we will choose an ailment. So if we click here and we select trigeminal neuralgia, okay, and now we put it into the Neural Doctor and send analysis, and then if we wait for a moment, and you can see that it's now added in the um, analysis. So if we scroll up, okay, so obviously you get the disclaimer, I'm an advanced AI diagnostics, but if we scroll down, okay, so you might want to stop it at places to see, but there you go. It's trigeminal neuralgia. And what it also does is it does secondary suspects. So obviously with diagnostics, it's got to give you other alternatives. That's got similar, just to help the clinician. And then it also gives you the prognosis. So for every analysis, it will give you a prognosis to the diagnosis. And there we have it. And that's the Neural Doctor, completely local and not dependent on outside AI. So completely air gapped from the internet.